Hi, welcome to Road 200 on questions. A milkman sells the milk at a profit of 50%. But for every 10 liters he drinks 1 liter. Let's assume that each liter is 1 rupee. That means if cost price of his is 10 rupees. Each milk liter is 1 rupee. 1 rupee per liter cost price. So for 10 liters, cost price is 10 rupees. Profit will be 5 rupees. So the total selling price will be 15 rupees. 10 plus 5, 15. But he also drinks 1 liter. So his cost price becomes rupees 10 plus 1, 11 rupees becomes the cost price. So cost price 11, selling price 15. So he makes actual profit he makes is 15 minus 11, which is 4 rupees. The actual profit he makes. So profit percentage will become 4 out of cost price 11, which is 36.36%. C option is the answer. Right? Number of factors of A is 25. How do you find factors? You find factors by converting into prime factors and multiplying, like let's say A raised to P and B raised to Q, where A and B are prime numbers. You do P plus 1, Q plus 1 and so on, multiply. So 25 can be written as 25 only or 5 into 5, two ways. So if it's 25, then P will be 24. 5 into 5, then P will be 4, Q will be 4. That means the first case, it is A raised to 24. Okay, A will be nothing but A raised to 24. So B is nothing but A raised to half, which is A raised to 12. So number of factors will be 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 is possible. In the second case, the value will be, let's say, A raised to, 5 into B raised to, so A raised to 4 and B raised to 4. So as we know, B is A raised to half, which is nothing but A square into B square. So number of factors will be 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, 9. So 13 is possible, 9 is possible. So what is not possible? 5, A option. Roots of the equations given such that one of them is 5 times the other. So you can say 1 and 5 are the roots, let's say, or 2 and 10 are the roots, or so on. One is, you can say, multiplication of roots has to be a multiple of 5. So if I take 5 as the options, this doesn't become multiple of 5. If I take 2 as the option, 2 square 4, 2 is 8, 10 becomes a multiple of 5. 3 is the option, 3 square 9 to the 18 plus 2, 20 becomes a multiple of 5. 4 square 16, 32 plus 2 doesn't become multiple of 5. So in this case, product of roots becomes 10. In this case, product of roots becomes 20. Sum of roots, 3 to the 6 plus 3, 9. Sum of roots, 3 to the 9 plus 3, 12. Here it satisfies. 10 and 2, 10 plus 2 is 12, 10 into 2 is 20. Here it doesn't satisfy because sum should ideally be a multiple of 6. The C option. So here what I use is use the options and try to get the answer. Okay, use the options and try to get the answer, and from there work on. You could also assume the roots as A and phi A and try to find sum of roots and product of roots and get the equations. But substituting options I think is easier out here. Number 3, n and 6 is such that if we subtract digit n from a number, it will be divisible by 11. So 3n n 6. So sum of odd place numbers, if you look at, is n plus 6. Sum of even place numbers is n plus 3. Difference is 3. That means the number when divided by 11 gives you remainder 3. Number when divided by 11 gives you remainder 3. To make it divisible by 3, you have to subtract 3. So n can take only one value, 3. So the answer will be A option. How many values? 1. That will be the answer. Ratio of boys and girls in a class. So this is boys, girls who have passed through and who have failed. The same as people who pass and fail. So pass and fail. So ratio of students who pass to those who fail is 2:1. This is 2:1 ratio. And ratio of boys who passed and failed is 3:1. So let's say boys who passed and failed is 3x and x. Right? Now we go back. The ratio of boys and girls in a class is same as the ratio of boys who passed and girls who failed. So if boys who passed, if the ratio is x is to y, let's say, ratio. So if this is 3x, this will be 3y. Okay, this will be 3x, this will be 3y. Because ratio is x is to y. So total boys passed is 4x. So total girls failed will be 4y. So this has to be y, girls failed. We also notice ratio 2 is to 1. So that means 3x plus y upon x plus 3y is 2 is to 1. Cross multiply 3x plus y equal to 2x plus 6y. You solve it, you will get 5y equal to x. So x upon y is nothing but 5 is to 1. So you get a ratio C option. Right? Can maybe substitute option also and get it. This you can form an equation and try to get the answer. Thank you.